In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting. So for this, at first, what you have to do is just open up your Microsoft Teams software. For that, you can just go to your search and type for Teams or Microsoft Teams and just open it from the best match. And after that, what you can do is just go ahead and just go to your calendar. And in here, calendar, you can either click on this top right new meeting button. It's going to take you to the new meeting creation page. Or you can just go to this camera which says meet. This is also for meeting. Just go inside here. Now, if you want to create a quick meeting, just click here on create a meeting. It's going to instantly create a meeting and give you a link. Then you can share that link to your friends. For example, if I click it, it's going to say create and copy link. I'm going to click it hand. Then just wait a bit. As you can see, it created a meeting for me. I can then just share the link with my friends or my colleagues and they can join using the link. But what if I want to schedule a meeting? What to do then? Then simply click on schedule a meeting. Then just give here a title, techie meeting, for example. Enter the names and emails of people that you want to invite. For example, I'm going to invite techie@google.com. Just enter all the emails over here. Then set a time, what time you want the meeting to be, or is it all day meeting? Just select everything. Do you want the meeting to be a repeat, Monday to Friday, a daily, a weekly, a monthly, a yearly, whatever? You also got advanced options to set meeting access rules and participation settings. You can check them out from here. You can add a location here as well. For example, I can say UAE or whatever. Then just give a meeting destination or description rather. Just put a really nice meeting description over here. And after you're done, just click on save. This is going to create the meeting for you. As you can see over here, you can just go ahead and click on copy. It's going to copy the link to the clipboard. Then you can just go ahead and share it with your colleagues and they can join your meeting at this time. And now if you go to calendar, as you can see, scheduled meeting, if you go to calendar, you can see that meeting scheduled over here. If you click on it, you can see the link and everything. And basically that is it. And that is how to create a Teams meeting. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.